Hey guys, I hope you are good. So today we will start coding on Flutter Bloc, and let me tell you one thing, this is not a tutorial, and I will be just practicing the Flutter Bloc. You can follow me and code along with me, okay? Okay, one more thing, I will be basically I will not be using VS Code. I will be using terminal. Basically I will be using a Helix editor. As you know, if those who don't know about Helix editor, let me tell you one thing. The Helix editor is basically somewhat similar like Vim editor, but it is not similar because it in Vim basically what happens, the uh, the customization should have to be performed. It is customizable. Basically the Vim is customizable and the Helix is not customizable. It is pre-packed. So if you install Helix editor, it will be pre-packed with all the adjustments, all the themes, and every key bindings, and even the LSPs. The default LSPs also provided in the Helix editor. You don't have to add external install LSPs and attach it to the Helix editor, but you can do that. It is provided. That feature is provided. You can customize that, and the best part is that it doesn't takes your too much time to just focus on customization rather than on coding. So that's why I prefer Helix editor instead of Vim. I can do Vim, but the problem is that I'm not an expert guy, and I'm not a guy that knows too much about Vim, or knows too much about Helix editor. I'm new. I'm basically learning, but I don't want to choose Vim because you have to do customization and it takes time, and I don't want to invest my time in that. Instead of I have moved to Helix editor. It is somewhat similar to Vim. I'm new with the Helix editor also, and I'm slow with the editor because it is my first time to use Helix editor in development. And one more thing, Helix editor, I'm thinking of switching to Vim after knowing the Helix editor, after my hands become comfortable with this editor, and after I can jump with the Vim. But right now I just want to prefer Helix editor because I don't want to customize and takes a lot of time on doing that. So I'm just preferring to work on Helix editor. Okay, after my hands become comfortable, I can easily do anything with the Helix editor, then I will switch to Vim so that I can upgrade myself. Okay, so let's start the Helix editor. So let me open my terminal. I will go to my path where the code is present. Okay, let's go to documents / workspace / flutter space 2. Okay, so in that there is flutter block, sorry, there will be underscore, I suppose. Let me check. Block. Okay, so let me check. Okay, it is Flutter Bloc practice. Paste. Okay, so in this, let's open Helix Editor. Okay, first I will be using Tmux. So basically, Tmux, what it does, it will create a multiple terminals inside a single terminal, so that I can do a development and I can see the outputs also. Okay, it somewhat helped me to use terminal inside the terminal inside an Helix editor. So I have one part will be the terminal and another part will be the Helix editor, where I will be coding and I will be checking the output in the terminal. Okay, and the best part is that it is very lightweight. It not takes too much of processing. Let me open my uh, system monitor first. Okay, so my laptop has 8 GB RAM, let me tell you that, and I don't have much memory, and my CPU is around it has 12 core CPUs, 12 threads, yeah. And let me tell you one thing. The reason of not choosing VS Code is the thing is that VS Code is heavy. It's not a lightweight thing. Okay, if you run VS Code, it takes lot of memory to run the background tasks like telemetries. It perform telemetries. It also downloads the extensions and run the extensions in the background also, and it takes a lot of memory for that. And I don't want to prefer that. Instead of using VS Code, I will rather prefer terminal based editor like Helix editor or Vim. But I already told you why I'm not choosing Vim. So I'm going with the Helix editor. Let's start Tmux first, and I will be then start the AVD manager, and I will start coding. Okay, so let's start Tmux. Oh, Tmux. Okay. Tmux. Sorry, I was little bit vague with my definition regarding the Tmux. Let me clarify everything in detail regarding the Tmux. So basically, Tmux is a multiplexer. Basically, what it does, it creates multiple programs, or switch between different programs in single terminal basically, and you can detach them. You can also run in the background. They basically run in the background also, and reattach them also. It is smooth basically, but just note one thing: Tmux is just a multiplexer, nothing more, nothing less. Okay, so let's split first terminal. What was the setting first? Let me think the splitting before. Okay, so I'm also new with the Tmux also. So don't assume me that I know about Tmux more, because I am new. I am also checking the documentation, as you can see here. I'm just checking the documentations and checking how to make it work. Let me find this. Okay, let's see. Install Tmux. Readme, download Tmux. Okay. Me. Okay, 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 okay. So what are we doing? I will be okay. So the setting was Ctrl+b. Shift. Great. Now so can you adjust the size here? I think you cannot adjust the size, I suppose. I think it's not. Let me open another terminal. Let me. CD. Not CD. Let's open a checks. Okay. I don't want to change any settings, so let's exit from here. Basically. Okay. What should I do here? I'm thinking of. Okay, so can you customize the size of the terminal split window? I want to check one thing. Can you customize size of the window in Tmux getting split? Okay, I think we have to pass a dimension or something, or is there any other way? What the hell is this? Okay, so using keyboard shortcut Ctrl+b, then horizontal split screen. To control the size using -L for lines, columns. Okay, let's try. Ctrl+b, shift, yes. Okay. Split dash window dash L. I think it is not possible. Oh, is there any other way? Ctrl+b, shift, yes. Ctrl+b. Ctrl+b. Okay, so I am basically switching from here. और अगर Ctrl+b this resize. Okay, it's not working. that much time. I will be not this okay the guys, this stream will be short. I will not be using much of your time basically. So I will not I'm not thinking to switch Ctrl+b switch. Ah, okay, now it's open. Yeah, okay. Let hash window. Oh god, my goodness. Let me I have to learn some key bindings regarding the Tmux. So close the desired pane, Ctrl+b, then X, confirms the prompt will appear as usually when the kill the pane. Pane. Default effects will be added to close. Okay, let's Ctrl+b, arrow key. It's not working. Okay. Kill pane B. Sorry, I basically was saying something and the mic was basically off. So I just want to ask that if anyone is watching this stream, please comment or provide me a feedback. So for future content. I'm doing the setting size of 30. Rest. No, I have to first fill the plane first. Specify spread window pane. I want to set it horizontally, not vertically now, as I've already told you. Okay, let me put 35. Then it is not. It is not working properly. Let me kill this again. Okay, it is taking too much time. Okay, let me second Okay, so what should I do here? I will be creating a new pane, but I don't want to set the size of the above pane 10 or 30. I want to set the size of the below pane 10 or 30. I don't know how to do that. Let me try this thing again. Just remove the focus. Here. Let window. Let me set 50. Okay. I can do one thing. Yeah, interesting. Why I haven't think like that. Okay, so basically right now I'm setting the 30. Let me set the 80. The remaining the space will be given to the another terminal window pane. What happened? Okay, everything looks fine here. Hello. It's okay. Okay, so let me check. Let's open again. Kill pane dash a. Great. Let's be pan let dash window dash L. I will giving 70 lines and giving 30. Let me do this again. It is confusing. I'm getting so much irritated about this. What is this? Why the fuck it is not working? Let's kill this plane again. Dash A. Sorry, my language. Basically, I'm doing this repeated task again and again, and it is not solving the issue. Basically, I am just irritated. Wow, why it's not working? let me just first check this thing. Okay, it's loaded. It is. They have written so much, but they are not giving the command. At least give the command an explanation. I can learn the explanation later, but I need just command first. Plain A, PBX, or if you want to just Okay, so with a horizontal split, dash L option controls how many columns or cells are there and refers to them. Wide our new panes will be. So if we want a horizontal plane that is 20 columns wide. Okay. Okay. Awesome. It is selected split W, but why it is split W? It is not split Tmux. Okay, let's see. Begin with Tmux. Ctrl+b split the plane horizontally, vertically, arrow key switch panes. Okay. Don't use it. Create a new window. Move to the left. Okay. Let's try this. Okay, let's keep it here. Okay, so what basically is article says that you can do Ctrl+b and this. Oh, what the hell? Okay, let's do one thing here again. Ctrl+b. Sorry, Ctrl+b. Ctrl+b. Okay, so it's created this. Then we can do switch pane arrow key. Ctrl+b hold and hold one of the arrow key. Ctrl+b hold one of the arrow key. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, I can do that. Wow. Wow, okay, so it's worked. Finally it's worked. Oh, it's a relief now. Okay, let's start. Okay, let me set the timer first. Okay, let's set the timer. Radius first. Timer. OBS. How can we set the timer in OBS Studio? Let me, okay, let me bring this window here. I don't want to watch the video. Snaps countdown timer. Let me check this. Not a countdown timer. Yeah, you can set the countdown timer. Okay, cool. How can we do that? Okay, how can we do this? System designed to be used in OBS version 13 and above. It's plugin template. How can we do this? I don't want to watch this. How can we install this thing? Discussion, just go to the discussion. Okay. Guys, if anyone can help me, I'm just confused. How can we solve this? But we'll just OBS Lua programming. I don't know about the Lua programming because I was thinking to learn the Lua programming, but as of right now, I don't want to. I don't know. Only one is watching. Okay. I can. Link this out. Let me what I will do, I will just check from my mobile how can do this thing. Okay. Okay, so let's check this. How can I solve this thing? How can I solve this thing? Let me check. Okay, so let me tell you guys one thing. YouTube is very addictive. If you go in the shorts, it's a rabbit hole. You just click the shorts and you just scroll it, watch the new shorts, scroll it again, and you will soon realize that I have wasted my 2 hours. And literally it is the worst feature. It is profitable for the YouTube, but it is the worst feature for ourselves also. Let me tell you that it's a worst thing. The world was good before the shorts came in. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay, so what basically it does, go to here, tools, output timer, no, not this, automatic scene switch scripts, script block, script. Oh, okay, it will need a script. Okay, so this is the timer that we are talking about. Okay, so what I will do, yeah, the way how can I download this thing? Countdown. Okay. Countdown timer. Type of practical. Does it need tab? Script. Okay. I'll pass Lua, but I don't have Lua script for it. Let me search. So basically, I have to just download it and it will work like a charm. Right. Okay, let's OBS countdown timer. Let's install it. Download this. Okay. Let's check where this is download. No, not here. Open with package installer. Require changes in 11 other packages. What the? Build a CMake install. Cancel. Require changes in 11 other packages? What does it even mean? So do we have to change inside the countdown, OBS countdown timer, or we have to change inside this? I don't know. I'm just confusing. I can use script rather than using this. Why the hell am I? Lua script. Just search for the Lua script for countdown time. Why am I even using it? I don't even know whether if I install that will the start. Oh, okay, interesting. Language. Faster. Interesting. Sorry about the script. Sorry about process. Sorry about installation. We have to download and install the script. Get started with the countdown. It is been released in download and install. Okay, how do we do this?
Hi YouTube. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to install a script.
Download the advanced latest setw. Okay. Okay. I have other also. Should I be installing this? I have wasted my around how many minute of screen privacy? 20? No, 49 minutes have been passed. Okay. Worse. Let's install this. Needs to be installed. continue. So basically I have to install the packages, the 11 other packages for installing the OBS plugin countdown timing part. Very interesting. I don't know what the fuck is this. Sorry, pardon my language. Basically I go with the flow and I'm just going with the flow instead of thinking successful. Let's check whether the countdown timer is present. Okay, so it is not showing timer anymore. Close. Let me add text. Okay, yeah, okay. Uh-huh. Okay, like and subscribe. Okay, I have to make it small. Subscribe. Let me add the countdown. Okay. action. Or is this first wiki? Okay, let's go to wiki here. Version 10 version. Let's go to wiki. The Helix wiki. Okay. So you can have multiple timers so get placed. Add an OBS text source. Okay, I will add the OBS text source here. Let me add the text source. Okay. Select the dock menu and click on countdown. Sorry, select the dock. But where? Okay. Select the dock menu. Where the countdown timer is showing. Select dock. Okay, select the dock. Great. And what is custom browser dock? Click on countdown time. Custom browser docs. Stats. Chats. Issues. Okay, great. Now I can see that will be the easy thing. Don't want to check this thing. Okay. That is good. Okay. What I will do, guys, I will be using the Lua, I suppose. That will be the best. Because I don't want to, because the countdown timer I have to restart everything and then start the so I don't want to do that. I have to restart the OBS and it will stop the stream and then we can switch the dock and do blah blah blah, but I don't know why the hell I'm not getting the download link for this script. Time out, blah blah blah. Here I can download it. Why the hell I'm not seeing any download link here? Run the discussions. Tools and some doc. Step, basic function, source search. This for about 49 or this. Let me download and install latest feature. Why am I doing the file already? Okay. Let's do it. Playback to two times faster. Let's see.
It should be similar for those using
Finding OBS script. Okay.
Once the page is loaded up, we want to go to the forum section, and you can find the link for that in the top right corner.
Okay, so
And then we want to go over to the script section,
forum
resources.
script. Okay, great.
And that should open up a page with an index of all the scripts available on the OBS forums.
Okay.
We want to install this comprehensive stopwatch and
Comprehensive
so
stopwatch
if we
found
find
on.
it should open up that page.
Okay.
You can find
overview, discussion.
This video, I just want to show you how to download this script on your
Uh-huh.
To download it, we want to go to the download page and you will find on the top right side.
Oh,
Button that is
go to download. Ah, okay. Sorry, I haven't checked this thing. Okay, discussion. Go to download. The download is. Sorry, guys. I am basically done. What I can say. Okay. So. Okay, so I will be downloading raw file here. Right. Let me create this folder here. ODS. Okay, I will be saving this. I downloaded it. Let me check. Go here, tools, script, add. Where it is? Okay, scripts. No. You are it. So I finally got this. What I need to do? Okay. What should I do after this? Okay, saves download.
If you follow that,
Then how to save?
in this case,
Stop watching the work.
then open up OS.
After that, I will go to the tools, go to the scripts, set the script. Okay. Oh, let's select the script. Okay, stop watching work. Open. Great, it opens the window. Oh, okay. So great. So basically, I have to make it large. See, but it is not showing anything about it. Script. I think two. Okay, so the stream will be of I'll making it 1 hour, not more than that, and I will be just setting 30 minutes, not more than that, and no seconds. Different format. I think this link will format will be good. Let's see what. Oh, okay, it is showing me. Let me. Is there any background color setting this? Because. This will be good. This is not taking much space. Expand it. Hidden. Rename it, make it countdown timer. Great, I have done the countdown timer. Let's see. Should I start it? Or should I wait? Is there anything else that I can do?
Share with us
Ah, okay. It's rusting. Okay, let's start this. Let's start the countdown timer. Okay, it is not showing. I need the background something, but how should I be showing the background? I hope you can see this. Is there any- what you can say in why it is not showing anything. Scripts. Pay advance hidden spam. it's not even starting. Let me check one thing. Let me add this display full format. Hidden. Let me remove this thing. Okay. What I will do, I will add again text source. Down. Okay. Then what I will add? I will add nothing here. Okay, click OK. I will go to the tools. I will go to the tools, go to the script, go here, set the count on time, set once. Yep, hidden, expand, time settings. I've already set the time. Scene active. It's me. I think I have to remove this. Add the game. Countdown. Advance. Go here, expand. Okay, time source. Countdown. Wait, let me set this to 1 hour. Let me set this to 30. Okay, great, it is working now. Okay, let's pause this. Let's set the time. Okay. Let's browse it. Documents. Okay. And image again. And here, search. Inside the here, this will be fun. Okay. I hope this will look good. Let me do this full screen, that will be better. And let me maintain this. Find it. I can find this. Red. This will be better. Which one will be better? I think this. This. Or this. Yeah, this one will be good. Let's download this. Yep. I will be, what I will be doing, I will go into the pictures. Dark red. This will be good. Let's try this thing. We go to the picture, save it. G. Okay. Cool. Let's close this thing. Okay. Yeah. Let's go here, going pictures. Let's go this. Okay. And go to the behind. Capture this and move this thing. Yes. So BG is there, and yeah, it's look good, but I have to edit one more thing. Can you edit this? Yeah, I can edit this. Just make it right. Yeah. Yeah, this is good, but I have to check one more thing here. I have to come here and this will be great. Okay, this looks good. So, okay, so yeah. Okay, so I have wasted my around how many time I have minutes I have wasted to set all this thing. I have wasted 1 hour 20 minutes exact, and my timer, you can already see my countdown timer is also the same. Okay, so it's interesting. So I missed a lot of the time. Okay, so let's. Okay, so let's start emulator first. Okay, let me check whether how many devices I have in the AVD manager. This, I think the command would look like this. I hope I am doing something wrong. Oh no, I am doing something right. I am right, bro. I am right. Okay, let's start this Flutter emulator because as to my knowledge, the Flutter emulator, this one is light compared to other ones. Okay, so let's go emulator dash AVD. Let me write the name. Sure. Whoa! So it's working now. Let me open this, set this thing. Because I'm also thinking to create an Android app in this Vim's Helix editor rather than Android Studio. That will be interesting too. Okay. Okay, so cool. Now it's been set. The stage has been set, guys. As you can see, I have already set the stage. Unable to run the everyday game. Okay. But where I will run the Flutter run, where I will do that thing. Okay. How should I be running my Tmux? Let me think. Should I close the port here? But if I will close my port here, let me create a split window inside the horizontal window. Should I create that? Can I create this? Should I don't know. Let me check. Okay. Okay, something is lacking right now. Let me close everything first. I have opened so many terminals that it's creating an issue. Let me close everything because I have opened too much windows that it's taking too much memory. Laptop. Yeah, postpaid, good, postpaid, good. It is lagging also here. Close that. Let me check how much memory it is taking. As you can see that it is now for 4.6. Earlier it was taking around 90% of the memory. Okay, so I'm facing the network issue now. Okay, let's check the stream. Okay, let's. Okay, so command shift it here. Let me. I think I have opened the Tmux something. Okay. Guys, my laptop is hanging so much right now. Uh, Okay, let's come here. Great. Okay, so just okay, I will be increasing this. Okay, this looks. I think let me increase this. Sorry. start. Let me open my Flutter first. Change. Okay, what the hell? Okay, let me. And start this. It is not working. Why it is not working? Okay, okay, so wow. Okay, now it is working. Okay, in order to make a migration from terminal to a terminal to allow such pane using switch pane, allow switch pane using mouse. Okay. I think we can do this. It's not not even using all these keys are just not working. I want to make things easier. Why am even hard? How can I go from anything? Okay. Ctrl+b this set that option. The mouse dash select dash pane on. It doesn't have logo. Is there anything else that I'm missing here? No, there's nothing else. Right, if you are intended to go to Tmux, then Tmux is the so I have wasted my around 2 hours. Okay, let's stop open chips. Tmux. Right, should I cut this and close this terminal? Start the terminal again. Expand this to this. And force it to slash workspace. Workspace is all in caps. So space slash flutter dash space dash flutter dash block dash flutter. Okay, let's start Tmux. Okay, let's select Control B. Okay, correct. And you can select Control B and key bindings are the worst in Tmux. It's literally key bindings are worst, I think. Okay. Control D shift. Okay, let's increase the size of one of the. Okay, let's increase. I think this is good. I think this is impossible. Okay, can we use the mouse? Oh man. Oh, okay. Finally. Okay, finally it's working. I think I have to change my this streaming title to setting up the Tmux and Helix editor for Flutter instead of setting the title of the Flutter. That is the Flutter. Okay, so that's why I hate this key binding thing because first of all they don't provide this extensive document to so that you can check only the key list of key bindings, and it is just the worst thing. Marks as list. Uh, I think it is not this line. Let's refer. Now I can open no key bindings here. The command that I'm not. Uh, I think there's no command. Okay, so finally I have set the environments, everything, and let me write all the commands that I have done so far in the YouTube video so that I can, so anyone who facing this similar issue, they can easily solve this thing by clicking on my YouTube video and just check this command list. Okay, so what I will do, I will just edit my Tmux and I will list down all the commands that I have used so far. So if you guys facing the issue regarding Helix, I will just, okay, not a tutorial, study time, loading Flutter block P2, and I will just update it, change it with uh, coding and exploring Tmux. Okay, let's set it study time. Setting, setting, setting Tmux. Tmux and Helix at the for Flutter. Okay. Okay. Sorry. I think I haven't copied this. Okay. Okay, so this is for you guys. I am making it easy for you. So if you want to use Helix Editor, so that you can just click on this video and just check that how to set up the Tmux and Helix Editor. Okay. So I will be listing down the commands also here. Key bindings. CTR plus B. Okay, control plus B. I don't know what to do. Control plus B arrow. These are the commands. I will be listing this command. this one, and hold the thing will be this command. This is the command that I will be adding first. Okay, so main artically third will be the command that I have used. Is this. I'll provide the link of this article also so that you can learn from this. That will be best. Let me tell you, not all commands are working in this. Some of the commands were not even working for me. So okay. Link of article. Sorry, let me come here. Copy this. Paste it here. And to enable the mic, Ctrl+b, colon, Ctrl+b, colon, it will show this will be will be mouse. You have to type a command. What is the command basically? Setw command setw I will save this. Okay, correct. So now it's working. What I will be doing, I will closing this simulator first. Okay. No, I don't have to close the simulator. Okay. From here, click on escape, go here. Okay, so first what I will do, I will start the emulator dash avd, name the emulator. Basically, I will name my emulator. So my emulator name is Flutter underscore emulator. Okay, so it will start my emulator first. Then what I will be doing, I will be setting the emulator. After that, I will be checking what is my project. Okay, Flutter Bloc, clear. Let's open the Helix article. Let let me set the screen size, terminal size also. Okay. Yeah, that will look. It's look good. Let tag F. Let open main. Right. What I'll do, I will go inside this block flutter project. Okay, this block flutter project. Okay, so cd block. Okay, what I will do, I will start with the flutter project. Run. Should I start with the emulator or should I use Google Chrome instead? I think Google Chrome will be the better option, right? What do you think? Mhm. Okay, so I think I will be using Google Chrome instead of this because if I use Google Chrome, that will not take that much space, I think. I don't know. Okay, let me kill this thing. Okay. So I'm killing this and I will start at global Chrome. Flutter run dash D. I think what is the command? Flutter help. Uh-huh. Wow. Okay, so I think it was Flutter run dash D. Uh-huh. Flutter run dash D. Flutter and dash D. I think it will be Chrome. Okay. How to jump on the last one. Good. What I am doing, I will be closing this one. Okay, correct. I will not be using. Yeah. What I will do, I will just exit out from this. Or should I be? Okay, great. So what I will be doing, I will be going here. I will be typing a command here. You can say login ox approach. It will create this. Let's go here. Cancel the thing out. Okay. Come here. Okay. Yes. Okay. Oh, yeah, let it be notification. It's not refreshing. Session. Okay. Okay, so Tmux usually don't refresh the session. The session is not refreshed here. Wow. So this is another issue I'm facing now. Wow, wow. I've already wasted my so much time that. Okay, let me do one thing. Move this thing. Okay, let me check this up. Leave directory. Okay. So if I have created this directory, it will be shown here. Yeah, it is showing. So I'm doing something wrong. Let me see. Let leave auth project. Okay, so earlier what was the command basically? Ah, okay. So this was the issue. Now it is created. Okay, so the issue was basically this thing. I think, underscore. It doesn't accept this dash. It's accept only underscore. Right. So it was my fault basically. Sorry, it's not the team issue basically. It was basically my fault. Okay, first of all, do one thing. I have to remove this rm. This cannot remove impulse or impulses. Let's go here. Say okay. Let's come here. Figure this out. Um, verbose. So I will be using verbose basically. Okay. So what I am doing. First, I something else on the page. What is that? This is the main other. What is um, home.dart? Let me tell you the truth first. I fucking hate using. I don't like Helix editor. Let me tell you, because if you are using Flutter or creating an app in Flutter, I don't think I support Helix editor for it. I know it is cool to use Helix editor, but it is literally irritating. Let me tell you that. Block slash. Uh, Let me check. So there is a dot file here. Okay, so there is a library. There slash manual. Okay, cool. Now what I will do, I will go here and open home dot file. Okay, and what I will be doing, I will be creating a class state. Class name. What will be the name of the class? The name will be page. It will be of state one. Okay. I think I have to write everything from scratch. I cannot even comprehend this. Only this time I will be using Helix editor. After that, I will not be using Helix editor for the Flutter development. Let me tell you that first. I can use Helix editor for another things, but I don't prefer Helix editor. Will be better option. And stateful widget. Yep. I will stateful widget. And in that, I will be creating over override. And what I will be overriding? Page. State. For small projects, for if you want to create a backend project or the project that don't need any plugin or requirement like that, and that don't have too much of packages, or like if you are not creating a project that rely on framework, then I say that you can use Helix editor. But if you are creating a project that uses framework, lot of frameworks and packages and hintings and static checks and many more, uh, I don't prefer to use Helix editor for that because I'm facing many issues. I can show you. I am already showing you what the issues can a beginner face when using Helix editor basically, and what are the demerits of it. So I'm already feeling bad to use this. But let me tell you, Helix editor is not a bad editor. It's a great editor. But I'm using editor for Android app to create Android app, and I'm using Flutter. So you already know that it is not a good choice to use this. As you can see, okay, let's go to the homepage. Okay, so finally I created this. Let's create a build function. Okay. All right. Return type will be widget. The build function returns the widget. It rebuilds the widget. It takes a build context file. Okay. And it will be returning. I will be returning scaffold basically. Okay. I think I have to implement one more thing. There is an issue I'm facing here. So let's import package. Okay. The package will be inside this package. Okay, the targeted word I think is this package main language. Okay, let's open it. Hmm. Okay, so what I'm doing, my app, which would, okay, but why it is an issue? Okay, let me tell you. I will not be using. Let me close this editor because it is so confusing. So it's not. It is behaving like a ship right now. And I don't want to use Helix editor for Flutter development, specifically for Flutter development. I can use for Django development, for Golang development, but not for Flutter development because this is a framework, and this 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 project has a lot of files initially. When you create the Flutter, it already packed with a lot of files. So the static checks and the things is not happening inside this Helix writer, and it cannot handle, I think. So I will not prefer using Helix writer, or I don't know about Vim editor, but I will not prefer using Helix writer for framework based project. Okay, so let me kill this thing. I will be killing this. Yeah, close up this. I will be closing this. What I will be doing, I will be just opening the VS Code. Okay, and yeah, so I think my time is nearly, I have only 10 minutes. So what I will be doing, I will be closing this, going here, going inside this lab. Okay, I will be clearing this whole thing. Let me show you my how much memory it takes. Initially it was less. Now when I have opened the VS Code, let me show you. This is the memory. It takes nearly around 20 to 30% of the memory it has been taken. And now, so I don't like about that. That's why I was not choosing to use the VS Code, because the VS Code is not good for this. Let me close this. I think I can use another thing. Let me check. Can I use VS Codium here? So basically, Codium is what open source of the VS Code. Basically, it scraps out the telemetry, and then it is basically lightweight, I suppose, because somehow the memory is leveled down. It is reduced to somehow some of the percentage, but I don't. Nothing. Let me open the file, open the folder, go inside the workspace, go inside the Flutter, choose the Flutter Bloc lattice, path, open. Yes, I trust the author. What are we doing? Yes. Cool. Okay. What are we doing? I will be searching for the Flutter, I suppose. I hope the Flutter should be there. That's it. That's there. And I think I will be using awesome Flutter snippets about shortcuts of functions and classes. Yes, but I hope it will work fine. I think let's search for Dart. Is there a Dart? Okay, so it is installing Dart. Generate bulk file for Dart. Okay. So you can use this shortcut. Let me know. Easy and no, I don't need this. I'm just everything. So I think everything is updated. Everything is working fine. Let me go here. Go here. Good. So let me create a new file. So what I will be doing, I will be creating the architecture that I followed in my another project also. Let me, what I will be doing, I will be opening a workspace. Open, recently open, add folder to workspace. Add this. Yes. Okay, so block flutter and or block. So what I will be checking? I will be checking here. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so okay, stupid block. Okay. So I am not following any folder based architecture here. So I will be creating a new file named home.dot file. Okay, and I will be creating a new folder named block, and I will be creating another folder, and what I will be doing, I will be doing, okay. Okay, so I have only 4 minutes left. So what I will be doing, I will just create a home page, and after that I will close this. This is create whole widget. I will be using shortcut so that I don't want to write everything in home page. So I will import package, Flutter material package, import uh, package colon Flutter material. Okay, so I have called this. What I will doing, I will make this part constant. Okay, so what linting level? Okay. Key could be a super parameter, try converting key to a super parameter. Okay, so it is taking a key here and it is taking from super. So should we need this? No, it is taking. So it is taking the call. Okay. Right, it's showing this invalidity of private type API can be private. Ah, okay, let ignore all this thing right now. Okay, let ignore all this. I think the time I have only let's create a staff code. Let's set the body. Okay, body and that body. Let's set the columns. Let's set the children. Okay, and set the mean access alignment to center. Okay, so main axis alignment works on, I think, x-axis. And it uses render plus basically. It is the extension of the render plus. I already know how. That's yeah. Okay, what I will do, I will be calling this home page. Basically, it's not passing any title here. And invalid constant. Why? Okay. Okay, so now so it's an optional parameter. Okay, let's check this. I think there's no need for this. Run without debugging. Let me. Okay, let's start this one. Okay, okay, okay. Now, now it is lagging, so I think it is